So I went from I woke up like this, literally, and Rihanna got me looking like this, honey, like, yes.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining back on here on my YouTube channel. My name is Tijani, but today you can call me Peakmill. Forget about JT, call me Peakmill, okay? If today's the first time I was coming into my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. So today, before we go any further, the hair that I'm rocking in this tutorial is from Colossians. I think that's what it's called. Colossians. And it's the Jerry curls. And I got it in the length 22, 20, 18, 16, and a 16-inch frontal. I did not pluck the frontal. The frontal came like this. As you guys can see from the title, today I'll be doing I tried following blank makeup tutorial, and today I chose Peakmill. You guys know her as Peakmill. I know her as Khadija. I'm not even gonna try to, you know, modernize the name. Her name is Khadija. So today I'll be doing I tried following Peakmill's makeup tutorial. First of all, we're just going to pretend as if my hair is on fleek like Peakmill. We all know Peakmill is like, you know, a G when it comes to hair. I'm not going to try to recreate her hair. I'm just doing something that looks similar to her hair. Sure, you understand me? I love all of her looks, but this one right here, the hair, the makeup, everything was just on fleek. And it's this one right here. And it's this one right here. Look at that. Man, she's looking like a goddess. Okay. So in this tutorial, Khadija was trying out she was trying out Fenty Beauty. She got a couple of things from Fenty Beauty. I only have their foundation and Trophy Wife. So we're just going to make it work one way or the other. And alright, enough of yapping. Let's just jump right into this tutorial. I already feel like this is going to be somewhat disastrous because Peakmill is a very, very natural beauty. Me, I am not. I have to put layer on top of layer. I have to do excessive stuff that she doesn't do. So pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. So she started off by doing her brows. Thank God for that. She just went straight in and she used ABH brow powder in chocolate. So I have that right here in chocolate. Yo, I am scared already. Y'all know how I do my brows. Y'all know that I have to outline and then fill in. But my girl just went straight in. She went straight in and just started filling in. After that, she went in with, she just filling her brows just like this, and then she went straight in using Kat Von D concealer. I don't have Kat Von D concealer, so you know Peakmill is rich. So me, I'm just going to be using the LA Pro concealer. Peakmill did not use concealer on the top. She just put concealer at the bottom and then she blended it out. I just thank God that I'm not going anywhere today. I just thank God that I'm not going anywhere special today. I'm going to my mother-in-law's house. So
now I'm trying to decide whether I should use one of my primers or not. I don't get too oily, and when I do, it's normally on my T-zone area. So I'm gonna skip primer as well because you know the foundation is pretty matte. Let's see how it goes.
She's not going to use a primer. She's just going to go straight in the foundation. Y'all know I'm oily. I'm like a grease ball. Like my face is not moisturized right now, and it's so oily. Like you would think I just fried plantain or something on it. Ha, tell me about me.
powder brush, very cheap brush, but it does wonders.
Put the foundation on the brush.
It's looking a
no
bit
primer. Okay.
orange. But hopefully it all blends in.
And her reaction when she put the foundation on, that's always my reaction when I put this foundation on, because yes, it does look a bit orange, but it always works, you know, works out later on. So she only highlight under her eyes, her chin, Cupid's bow, and then her forehead. And then she went in and set that using like the tiniest bit of Sasha buttercup, like the tiniest. I could barely see it. Okay, I don't even think she used that much, but it's almost as if they told her, pick me, my look on. She went in and contoured with the Fenty Beauty matchsticks. She used it on her cheeks and also her forehead. Like I said, I do not own any of that, so I'm just going to be taking a foundation. And then forehead. She only did like right there. Oh, sugar. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. This thing has dried. And she went in, finally she did something with the eyes. She went in and put the same concealer on her lid. I'm just gonna be putting the same foundation. The foundation I use is MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and this is the shade NW58. Then blended it out. Oh. Fallout. Use that to blend it out. I'm just gonna do exactly that. Just going to be taking like a light gold highlight and put that on my brow bone. That should be okay. It was not shining on her. It was not shining. But wait, she did not set her face. Like, she didn't use powder. wait. She didn't use powder. So, first of all, she did not contour her nose. I understand that Pickme got the cutest, littlest nose on earth. Like, she's not considering with that we have Ferragamo nose like this. Like, what am I going to do? I'm going to go out with, if I can even ignore the nose. She didn't set her face. She just went into the glow. She placed it in the center. And then for lip color, she actually used the concealer again, so I'm going to use the concealer I used too. And then she then went in with the lip gloss. I don't have the lip gloss as well, so I have something that looks similar to it, which is from ABH, and it's the shade Bronzed.
And
no, you're perfect. I'm not perfect right now. I look a hot mess. Did you use mascara? And then she added more glow. She likes to glow. That girl likes to glow. She went like this. Oh, and then she put some right here. And then at this point, her makeup was done. Like, the makeup is done.